rebuild this part. Is it there?
You gonna try? Rabbi Kaplan.
Am I going to try them on? Yeah, I'm going to try them
Let's
on.
do it.
They feel very natural to me.
What does that mean?
It's not as though something had happened to the shoe that has changed the shoe or changed my gait. It feels comfortable, very comfortable.
Yeah, mine too.
Walking feels very comfortable.
You feel it a little different
It
sense.
feels different. It's a little bit
Okay.
different. The gait feels a little different.
Who better than the rabbis, who many of them are 50s, 60s, 70s even, who have knee pains,
70s even.
whatever. You know what I'm saying. We have people in the shul, 80s, who we can help.
Okay.
That's all. I mean, if it helps me and you and anybody else in the shul.
So my first question would be, why is it taking so long for people to realize?
My
little bit
company
of
is
lift over here.
My company is Shekel, which my father named, which DBA's Missing Links Health. When I came up with an idea, for my own knee, I went online to find a sneaker for me. I was shocked to see it doesn't exist. So
Where have you been all my life?